Hello and welcome to the Pajama Video Sewing Tutorial by Wardrobe by Me. This pattern is for a simple pair of PJ pants with an elasticized waistband. The secret behind the comfort of these pants is that they don't have a side seam, making them perfect to sleep in. The techniques you will see in today's video will be the same whether you're sewing the pajama pants for men, ladies or children. And as you can see in this picture, the Wardrobe by Me classic t-shirt pattern and the pajama pants are a wonderful accompaniment, perfect for the entire family to enjoy being dressed in their comfortable Wardrobe by Me attire. When choosing fabrics for your project, do remember that soft and lightweight woven fabric is perfect for this sew. Cotton, silk and viscose make lovely pajama pants. You will also need elastic and drawstring to complete this sew. I know you can't wait to dive right in, so let's get started. Thank you for joining us today in sewing the pajama pants. For more inspiration or pattern assistance, do check into our Facebook group at Wardrobe by Me Pattern Support or on Instagram at Wardrobe by Me Patterns. If you've enjoyed this video, please do hit that like and subscribe button so you will be notified when we upload fresh new content. It's always a pleasure sewing along with you, and we hope to see you here again real soon. And until then, happy sewing!